ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ
That
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
is the petitioner.
petitioner. This
All
is the
right.
petition.
2015 audit report. 2023 complaint. Amounts paid in 2008 and 9. What is all this? Disabled children.
Yes, madam.
IDSS scheme ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? It is not in audit ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
Audit ಆದ ನಂತರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾವಾಗ audit? ಯಾಕೆ annual audit ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಾಗಿದೆ audit report ಏನು? In all these cases are officers of the education department. They are alleged of misappropriation of funds of a particular scheme, inclusive education for disabled at secondary stage, IEDSS scheme.
2009-10 ಸಾಲಿನ your lordship got it.
ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಸೋಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು
ರಜೆ
ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೋಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಹಾಜರಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮೂದಿಸಿದ ಮಂಗಳಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿ ಜೂನ್ ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು ಮುಂದೆ ನಿರಂತರ ಗೈರು ಹಾಜರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2012-13 ನಡೆದಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ವೇತನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Which committee is this? 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
That is the petitioner.
petitioner.
All right.
ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 5,30,000.
ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಡಿಸ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. your lordship, I'll take your lordship.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
5 lakhs.
No. What is the amount? Now allegation is misappropriation of funds against you also. Including. What is the amount that is misappropriated according to the complaint?
According to complaint, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ your lordship will get to the order of the tribunal in page 50 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. page 50 KT ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
KT ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಯ್ತು against the petitioner. Para number 7 ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. para number 7.
ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಶ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಲೇ.
ಡಿಲೇ
13 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
on the same ground the FIR
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಡಿಲೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಡಿಲೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಬಲ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
And what were you doing for 13 years? Yes, government. What were you doing for 13 years?
After appointing a new commissioner, my lord, this has to came to the light. Thereafter, my lord, they have obtained the government orders. Thereafter, my lord, they have filed a complaint and investigation is proceeded, my lord.
ಈಗ money meant for whom? Disabled children.
Yes, my lord.
IDSS scheme ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
See the melody, the easy report melody, can you see? Wherein in my petition there is 4.1 million. According to melody, easy report. The actual melody, the amount claimed by the NGO, there is overall melody 2,84,000. 2,62,260 million. And amount paid.
No. All these are paid in the year 2009 and 10. What were you doing till 2023 when registered the complaint? What were you doing, sir?
That's what my lord.
Ega you come up and project saying that this is money meant for the disabled children. 13 years ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
Only they have.
What only they have? Who is responsible for keeping quiet for 13 years? Why in all cases you do this?
Audit.
15 ವರ್ಷ 20 ವರ್ಷ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ and ಆಮೇಲೆ you initiate proceedings. Though criminal law delay ಬರಲ್ಲ, but these are amounts that are paid in 2009 and 10 in which is in front of you. It is not in audit ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
Audit ಆದ ನಂತರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾವಾಗ audit? ಯಾಕೆ annual audit ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಾಗಿದೆ audit report ಏನು? What is that? Tell me, sir.
Report
The sanction by the commissioner, not by
The commissioner is also an accused? Yeah, the old commissioner.
How?
2015 audit report. 2023 complaint. Amounts paid in 2008 and 9. What is all this?
There is a report, my lord, I think the departmental inquiry report.
Huh?
Departmental inquiry.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
There is,
Now departmental inquiry is not there. Then if that is your statement, I will take this and quash this also because departmental inquiry is quashed.
Yes,
there is negligence, my lord, but that
Negligence what? Misappropriation ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
scheme belongs to the disabled children.
Are you understandable, sir? If it belongs to disabled children, you should be
That's correct.
vigilant.
That's
From
correct.
2009 and 10, what were you doing?
After
We'll check, my lord, what transferred.
Yes. The,
We'll see who is responsible for delay also then. lord. We'll,
you
we'll
should
check
fix
that.
responsibility, sir,
Yes.
for delay.
Yes,
15 audit report is what is projecting. 8 years, what did you do on the audit report?
we'll check, my lord, who is responsible for the
Yes.
delay and then.
The petitioners in all these cases are officers of the education department. They are alleged of misappropriation of funds of a particular scheme, Inclusive Education for Disabled at Secondary Stage, IEDSS scheme. According to the prosecution, the petitioners have paid more than the amount that was claimed by the institutions, which led to misappropriation. The amounts were paid in the year 2009 and 10. The petitioner, against these petitioners, alleging that they had paid amounts beyond what was claimed, departmental inquiry was sought to be instituted in the year 2022 for the amounts that are paid in the year 2009 and 10. The departmental inquiry, the charge sheet that was so issued in initiating departmental inquiry comes to be quashed by the Karnataka State Administrative Tribunal in terms of its order dated 11th September 2023. Idennu challenge madilva?
Illa, it has not
Which
been
has
done.
become final.
In other matters, it is on 19th October 2023.
ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ 11th September slash 19th October 2023. Those orders are said to have become final as on today. The issue is if misappropriation of funds was projected in the year 2009 and 10, or even in 2015, when an audit objections come about, the state has kept quiet for more than 14 years or 8 years, as the case would be, to project the crime, alleged crime that is now sought to be projected by the present commissioner. The state shall thus explain as to why it took 15 years to unearth this when everything was happening in the department through the documents by the next date of hearing. Interim orders subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. Interim
Namdralli.
orders not granted in the case at hand shall be granted in the light of the companion petitions having an interim order.
In 14.2 and 3, my lord, the NGOs have refunded the amount to the government.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In few of the cases,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ
ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? The other submission is whatever excess was claimed by the NGOs, allegedly claimed by the NGOs, have all been refunded back to the state government, and documents to that effect is also appended to the petition. While mere refunding will not absolve the petitioners of the crime, the delay would definitely vitiate the proceedings unless the state comes up with a plausible explanation. Yes.
Great.